Hi, I'm Sandra. I'm a dental hygienist. We're here in Amsterdam at Spaces. It's a co-working space and this is where my office is. It's a super vibrant place with a lot of different people. Let's come and take a look at my office. So I opened my office in 2015 and my main focus was that my patients would get the best treatments in a less traditional environment. Let's take a look. I'm going to use a disclosing liquid now, just to make all the biofilm visible in his mouth. I always disclose my patients because for them it's really motivating to see where they need to brush better. And for me it's really good to see so I don't have to over-treat my patients. Finished the treatment. How do you feel?
It was less cold and less painful, so really looking forward for the next week.
See you in 3 months. Today, it's not an ordinary day. So, I just arrived at your Imperio and we're going to check out the EMS protocol. Hi Tim.
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit more about why EMS created the GPT protocol?
At the heart of it is the minimally invasive theory. So we want our patients to have a great experience, pain-free, with as least trauma to the tooth surface as possible. So we created an 8-step protocol. So as we move around the 8 steps, we start off being minimally invasive. By the time we get to 4, 5, 6, we're slightly more traumatic or invasive, but we hardly have to do any of this sort of treatment because we've gone round in a much more minimally invasive manner. Yeah. So it's a real pain-free experience to the patient and a fun experience as well.
Hey girls, how are you? Hi. Say hi to the camera. So the day is not over yet. We're now going to go to the EMS party.